Hey, beautiful people. I just wanted to come on and just talk about once again of how you define your own box. I was watching this clip of this woman who identifies more as a masculine woman, but is very fluid in her femininity. And I'll show a little clip right here of the video of one of my favorite podcasts on YouTube that I like to watch. But she talks about how even within the LGBT community, we tend to have these labels and want to hold people so strictly to one, like what, how somebody identifies, right? And I love how she talks about how she is very, basically very secure in her masculinity, but she's tapped into her femininity, and that is so important. And I just absolutely love that. So just kudos to her for being a masculine woman who is not afraid to be feminine and show that, because my God, how many times personally I have been with women who are more masculine identified, but are so afraid to like be in touch with their femininity. And it's just like, it's okay. And I don't know why that is. I mean, whatever. But um anyways, I just love it, and that you define your own box. And I think it's so important to have that safety and just know that you can feel safe and be safe to be in your femininity and be that masculine presenting woman, and allow that to be your more dominant trait. But also know that you can rest in your feminine, because we all have that yin and yang, right? I'm more feminine identified, but I also pull my masculine when I need to, like, especially because I am building a business and everything that requires me to pull in that more masculine side while dominantly being in my feminine. And so I absolutely am loving the clips that I see. And so I'm excited to see more of the video. But I just want to say that, like, no matter who you are, how you identify, like, we all have that yin and yang. And it's so important to just like tap into that and just create your own box, your own lane, and that you are not defined by one specific thing. And I think that's so important to see and just express. And so, um, be your own box. Just be your own box, and in whatever way that that looks like for you. And you are not required to be one way, no matter what your age is, no matter what you look like, no matter what you do, um because we are all multifaceted at the end of the day. Even if you may not feel like it, you have so many qualities that you may not realize that may seem contradictory, but at the end of the day, they actually all help to play into who you are and can actually help you to touch people in different ways. And so be your own box, create your own lane, and we are not meant to be the same. But in the beauty of that, we are all the same. And so, yeah, just define your own box, okay? Define your own box. Namaste.